Hello everyone, I hope your day is going well. In this video I will be showing you how to service injector mount in this Nissan Pathfinder. This is the injector mount. I have lost it already. I've lost the injector mount already. I've lost it. You start from here. I've lost the injector mount. Now I will be telling you how things that a kind of fault that your car will develop that we know that is injector mount that is causing it. Now, as you're watching this video, just subscribe and turn on the notification button so that anytime I drop any video, you will be notified.